Clipping, y'all. Every Saturday, 2 p.m. WCS Radio.
Good night, man. Good afternoon, everybody. That's 97.
97, y'all.
Show 97, man.
We got a great show for y'all today.
Good afternoon, sir.
That's right, good afternoon, H2.
First show with guests for the new year.
That's right.
First show and first guest for the new year 2023. You know what I mean? Special guest for the day, Chris Crown and Billy Fisher. You know what I mean?
That's right.
As well as my boy Nova, aka straight out of Brooklyn Media, man, here to talk some more about his platform, Mic Check series as well.
What up, Magic Beats? I'm checking.
What up, Magic on the check-in? You already know how we do. Right, this is Sound Show episode 97. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, H2. That's right, Saturday 2 to 3. And our biz.
2 to 3 right here at DTF Radio, right?
That's right.
I'm gonna place the phone right here for a sec. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
England, you know what I mean?
Absolutely.
But that's a fact, man. Good afternoon to everybody. You know how we do right here at Sound Show Radio every Saturday 2 to 3.
Gets
you know
biz.
What I mean? So let's get ready to get the show declaration going because, you know, we don't got no time to waste.
No time.
All music displayed on the show, all music displayed on the show is for promotional use only.
Only, y'all.
Any independent music we play, the songs that I produce are songs from artists that we are in direct contact with, right? So
absolutely.
Any mainstream music we play is songs that are on public domain. Nothing is solicited in any way. We do own the rights to our show.
Correct.
You know what I mean? So let's get ready to get this going, right? So
let's get it.
It's a dope show. We got crazy guests in here. Yo, you know we got to get it started with a Soundpros joint, man.
Of course, like always.
This is off the Soundpros compilation one available on thatpiff.com. This is Soundpros featuring G Hees and Robust. This joint is called Rap Race. Let's get ready to get this going.
Rap Race, y'all.
Everybody know what
I ain't gonna ask you about wild drugs and all I see is dimes. This is Rap Race, Soundpros featuring G Hees and Robust. Come on, me, H2 of the Soundpros. When we turn these song grams in a butter.
That's 97, let's go.
97, y'all.
I've been here for a minute. Even if the show is drop off, ain't used to get it. So the next time you see him pull his stack out his jeans, remember my balls and bring his stack back to my team. Oh, this and young knees, keep your mind on that rap shit. Cause one hit to outdo all of this crap shit. He right, but what I'm left to do? The niggas is getting money right next to you. Yo, it's a rap race. A race to the top. A race to see who gon' make it or not. Yo, it's a bad taste. A taste that you got. Every time you heard a rapper say something he not. Yo, it's a bad case. A case of the flops. And your whole name thought you going straight to the top. Now it's a bad place. You know you placed in a box. When a nigga straight trash, still thinking he's hot. I'm from a belly of it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Once again, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yari, yes, sir. How you grab? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How you grab? Yes, sir. How you? Anywhere you want to sit. Anywhere you want to sit.
I just step out and watch you. Sure like you watch it. Elementary. Since I had it, then I pop it. Don't even cop it.
Right.
I mean, once again, this is Rap Race, Soundpros.
Yo, it's a rap race. A race to the top.
Right.
A race to see who gon' make it or not. Yo, it's a bad taste.
Dope show lineup today, right?
Every time you heard a rapper say something he not. Yo, it's a bad case. A case of the flops. And your whole label thought you going straight to the top. Yo, it's a bad place. You know you place in a box. When a nigga straight trash, don't think it he hot.
We gonna pay this joint down. We get started when I get it today, man.
Absolutely.
Once again, man, that was Soundpros featuring G Hees and Robust. That joint was called Rap Race, produced by me, H2 for Soundpros Productions, man.
Absolutely.
Intro song of the show. We got our guest in the building today, man. Chris
That's
Crown
right.
And Billy Official.
That's
You know what I mean?
right.
That's a fact, man.
That's right.
As well as my boy Nova, aka Jahari, straight out of Brooklyn Media in the building. You know what I mean?
That's right.
That's a fact, man. What's going on, gentlemen? What's going on, man? Good afternoon. Sir.
Happy to have y'all in the building, man.
Y'all know how we do.
Shouts to y'all, man. Appreciate y'all for having us.
Right. Thank you for even taking the time out to come through and sit down with us, man. We really appreciate that. We know y'all working, man. We know y'all working. Y'all been busy putting out fire music, videos, projects. We're gonna talk to y'all about that today, man. Good afternoon, so high.
That's 7 building, yo.
Yeah, that's another one, man. Let's go. Good afternoon. Right, good afternoon. That's a fact. That's a fact, right? Yo, know what's up, my God?
Yo, straight out of Brooklyn, you know what I'm saying?
That's
We
a
in
fact.
building, you know what I mean?
You know how we do.
Shit, you know what I mean?
We're gonna talk to you a little bit more about that mic check series as
Okay,
well.
mic check,
Fire.
repertoire, you know.
You mean Artist and Repertoire Show?
Artist and Repertoire Show, you already know how we do. Ain't no, we ain't here.
You know how we do, man. That's a fact, man. So we're gonna get started with Chris Crown. Yo, Chris, man, welcome to the Sound Show.
Crown.
Yo, tell people, man, where you from?
Yeah, Brooklyn, man. Crown Heights, Brooklyn. Chris Crown, you know what I mean? Crown Heights, Crown Street.
That's
you
a
look
fact.
at you wait for life, you know what it is, man. Shouts to my guys, but yeah, we here making this good music.
Yeah.
Rushing through these streets, you know what I mean?
Facts.
That's a fact, man. We appreciate you being in the building, man.
Hell yeah.
This sound show.
Thank you, man. We got Billy Official in the building.
That's right.
What's going on, man?
I'm from Brooklyn, you heard?
All right.
That's where I'm from, you heard?
BK in the building, you know what I'm saying? We got the homies back there too. What up, my G? I see you back there. You know how we do,
Shout
man.
out Radar on the web series.
Right. I see y'all working on your web series too. I want to talk to y'all about that
Yeah,
too.
facts.
Nova, you've been working crazy.
Yeah, it's a lot of Brooklyn in here. Yeah.
Right, you know what I mean?
How we do.
Well, we are Brooklyn, so.
Right, we are in Brooklyn. You know, we gotta make sure Brooklyn is in the building. You know what I'm
That's
saying? That's a fact. We're gonna talk to you more about your mic check series because you've been
Yes,
wilding.
sir.
You've been bringing in
Series
some
four, we launching,
artists.
baby. We got
all of that.
some really dope artists on the mic check series.
That's a fact. You know, we're gonna play a joint too. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna play a joint from Cav later and all of that too. You know what I mean? That was dope as an example of your mic check series. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I appreciate Nova for having me on that joint too.
Y'all killing it, B.
Yo, this Monday we launching with Crown. Yo, this shit is fire, man. I'm excited about the new series. We got Crown,
Right.
we got Cavalier, we got Super Galloway, we got some dope female artists, independent artists coming up.
Right.
Moody, Fancy Rich. So yo, you know, my check series 4 is gonna build up. You know what I mean?
That is a fact.
Let's chop it up with Crown.
Right, that's what we doing, man.
That's
Yo,
right.
Chris, Crown, tell us a little bit about some of the things that inspire you to do your music and what you do out here, man.
Every day is like inspiration, you know what I mean? What we go through, just regular struggles, regular ups and downs. You know what I mean? I go lay that in the studio. I express myself.
Right, in the
music,
booth.
you know what I mean? Yeah, so yeah, it really don't matter, good or bad. It inspires me.
That's a fact, man. I
That's
appreciate that.
Better than that, you heard?
Yeah, you feel the same way, Bill, or you want to elaborate on that a little bit?
It's the same. I feel the same way.
Right, you know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying? Can't say it better than that. You know what I mean?
That's a
All
fact,
right.
man. Y'all ready to get started with one of these fire records, man?
Yes.
You know, we got a couple to do, so let's get ready to get into Around the Way, you know what I mean? Tell us a little bit about that record real quick before we get started, fellas.
Round the Way, I think I initially did it like I was trying to make a song for the Radar web series, you know what I mean? And I was working on a project, and we just let me and Bill lay that down one time in a Super Sam studio, and it just got crazy. It was just one of them joints.
Yeah, that joint is a banger, man.
We had to release that. I had to throw it out.
Joint is definitely a fire record, man. We getting ready to get into it, you know what I
Shouts
mean?
to Monopoly Beats, you know what I mean? My bro from Russia, and Bill Official, Chris Crown, you know how we get it.
That's right.
That is a fact, man. We getting ready to get into this fire record from y'all, man. The first performance record of the day from Chris Crown and Billy Official. This joint is called Round the Way, you know what I mean? Yeah, the video looks like it's a part of a movie and a web series, right? That's what y'all was working on, right?
Yeah.
Right, we're gonna talk a little bit more about that too. So, you know, we getting ready to get into this joint right here. We got the visual
Round the
playing
Way,
and all
Chris
of that,
Crown,
y'all.
Billy Official,
You already
y'all.
know. Round the Way, Chris
Brooklyn's
Crown,
finest.
Billy Official. This is SS97. You know how we do this shit, man.
We be round the way.
Some of the hottest independent
I've been
artists
riding
around
with
the
that.
world.
I am my little baby. That's my gunner. Call my block the label. How they boosting up my numbers. All these diamonds on me dancing. I might have to snipe me some. They told me
Video available on YouTube. Check it out now.
They told me vibe like Kodak on this bitch, man. Just don't humble. No talk saying we all fan. You ain't no lion in this room. Them bulls get on your step, boy. They gon' hunt you. I broke my hand, I'm scrapper, but next time it ain't no punching. Niggas dunking, ain't no alley-oops. I can rally troops for my youngins and just let me shoot. Try and make the news to my OGs in that silken cloth. Trust they break you off, but I come through like Kendrick at brothers and be gone. Single on established. I ain't no savage, I'm a god. Them carrots you rock cloudy without the sun. Where they from? This that slum shit. 4 niggas, 8 guns, 1 whip. Trying so they booming till that drum.
Down the show, y'all.
Brooklyn's
finest, y'all. Pretty official.
Cross me and you gone, that's all I'm trying to say. Shit sound like Griselda in the building when it's time to pay. Players never hate my niggas shine away. Baby round the way. Niggas moving white and green all kind of way. Trying to kill my kids and get my mama straight. Baby round the way. Boy, they act the fool if they see you shine away. No beef, I got me out.
Let's go.
South Block feeling. Be cool round here before my shooters start tripping. The one who runs his mouth. Here becomes the first victim. He was acting a fool. So the goons at the click. We be moving in silence. You want it, then we bring violence. I always listen to OGs when they was kicking that science. I just ran with the shows. Then slept with the lions. I had the gun on my own. Sweet the trigger, kept firing. We put it work in his head. So this man won't be clear. My heart pump no fear. Just in case you come near. Got a 40 on the waist to make you disappear. Poof, now you gone in the air. They say we worthless. We don't deserve this. Killing everything we touching now, shit on purpose. Remember back in them days when they used to curve us? Now we walking in the room, we making them nervous.
Cross me and you gone, that's what I'm trying to say. Shit sound like Griselda in the building when it's time to pay. Players never hate my niggas shine away. We be round away. Niggas moving white and green, I'm trying to wait. Trying to kill my kids and get my mama straight. We be round away. Boy, they act the fool if they see you shine away. No beef, I got me now, won't blow your mind today.
Sound show every Saturday 2 to 3 right here at DTF Radio, man. We display some
The hottest indie machine on beat from artists all over the world, y'all.
Shout out to Chris Crown, shout out to Billy Official, Brooklyn, New York. You know what I'm saying? That was some fire right there to get warmed up, brown away. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
That's a fact, man.
Round the way.
That's a fact. That's that work, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Right. You know what I mean? Let y'all take a little quick breather. You know what I mean? And we gonna play. We only got 2 premier records for the day. You know that BMF series just started, so we gotta play that "Wish Me Luck." 50 and Charlie Wilson. There's only 2 songs on the track list today, and the rest is y'all. So we're gonna let y'all take a breather, and then we're gonna come back with more interviews and stuff like that, and live performances. You know what I mean? Good afternoon, so how once again, man.
Once again, afternoon, happy Saturday,
Y'all,
y'all.
we do every Saturday 2 to 3 right here at DTF Radio. Shout out to DTF Radio Saturday Management.
That's
We
right.
getting started the right way. You know what I mean? Definitely appreciate that joint. That was hot right there. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we be round the way.
We be round the way. So let's get into this joint right here, man. This is off the BMF soundtrack. That BMF series is out right now. Just started back in the streets. You know what I mean? Definitely fire. Episode 1 is out now. It's fire. Go check it out. You know what I mean? We're about to get into that "Wish Me Luck." So, huh?
That's right, let's get it.
50, Charlie Wilson. You know what I mean? This is the remix, I believe, also with Snoop and Moneybagg Yo. But we're not gonna play the whole song. We're gonna play a little bit and come back with our guests.
Absolutely.
So let's get ready to get this going. You know how
Let's
we do.
get it.
Sound show every Saturday on Music Display for promotion use only.
What happened to wishing a nigga luck, huh? I can clearly people snake.
Shout out to Moneybagg Yo, shout out to 50, shout out to Snoop Dogg, shout out to Charlie Wilson.
Let's
go.
Plan the streets and force my hand, I had to do something.
Remix.
But we move around like the Black Mafia family. I can't have speeches in my circle, got real murders around me. Change your key shit in my trap, break down and break the Charlie. I put my quota in some baggage, get arrested, auntie.
Shout out to Chris Crown in the building, shout out to Billy Official in the building. No, but straight out of Brooklyn Media.
You can win, bet it all, roll the dice, life against, close your eyes and
Let's fight. That.
That's how they know what's happening. I'm riding with the top down, trunk
got Squish Me Luck, the remix.
Nigga started off as a youngster.
How you doing, man?
I ain't
Check that out. Video
That's y'all.
available on
That's
YouTube, man. All music displayed for promotional use only, nothing is solicited in any way. We back at it with our guests, man, Chris Crown and Billy Official.
Yeah.
My boy Nova, straight out of Brooklyn Media.
Absolutely.
Yo, man, tell us a little bit about your mic check series real quick, so we can get back and talk to Bill, to Chris Crown and Bill real quick. You know what I mean?
Yes. So, we are in our second year of the Mic Check series. For those that don't know, Mic Check, is a curated performance platform.
Right.
Basically, that we use to highlight the artists that we feel that are dope. Right. So, a lot of local talent, a lot of local dope artists. Artists that are out there that it's not a paid for platform all the way it is.
Right.
I mean, we ask artists for
Contributions.
You know what I mean? But we really are focused on the talent. You know what I mean?
Developing the artists, right?
Right, and then just
Working with
offering,
them.
a dope platform.
Right.
We're in series 4 right now. You know what I'm saying?
Applause to that, though,
we
right
did
there.
Right.
1, 2,
Shout to that.
3 last year. Yeah, we're in series 4 right now. We got 5 dope artists.
Right.
In series 4, Chris Crown is one of the artists.
Shout out to Crown.
Absolutely.
Going to the Crown.
Right.
Shout out to Galloway, Super Galloway.
Right.
He's another one of the dope artists. Cavalier, super dope artist. We got Moody,
Right.
dope female artist, and we got Fancy Rich, who's another dope young lady who's rapping out there. So basically, it's just a performance platform. You can catch your videos on YouTube, you can catch it on IG, and we just provide this platform for independent artists to shine, yo.
That's a fact, man.
Basically, it's real simple. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, it's something where we trying to be more accessible, right, than a lot of the other platforms.
Right.
So whereas a lot of the other platforms, you do have to pay, a lot of times an exorbitant amount, or you just got to know people that you may not know.
Right.
With Mic Check, you know what I'm saying, it's a lot more accessible.
Right.
And so we're looking for some dope, more talent for Series 5.
Right.
We're also looking to feature some musicians, you know what I mean? So if you play sax, you play the piano, drums or whatnot, you know what I mean? And you're looking to showcase your talent, we definitely want you on the Mic Check series, you know what I mean? Series 6, we're looking to do some of that fly shit. So
That's
stay tuned, you know what I mean? And
That's a fact.
look out this Monday, the video's dropping, Chris Crown. Mic Check series 4, we launching.
Right, we about to get back with Chris Crown and
Hell
Billy
yeah.
Official. Talk to him about their new single.
Live right now. Shout out to Galloway. Shout out to Brandon Dawes, my boy Logic. You know what I mean? Shout out to everybody in my straight out of Brooklyn
Dope
Live.
town.
That's a fact, man.
Big fact.
Yo, shout out to Chris Crown, Billy Official once again for being in the building with us today. We want to talk to y'all about this next jam we're about to get into in a minute. This Is Now. Tell us a little bit about that. This record is crazy, videos, fire, and all of that. Tell us a little bit about that, y'all.
Yeah, shouts to Black Sounds. He produced the whole album, Black Crown album. Black Sounds, Chris Crown, Black Crown. He produced the whole project, and we just lit it up. You know what I mean? This Now is me and Bill. Got a real boom bap hip hop vibe. And you know how we do. We don't got next, we got now.
That's a fact. That is a fact. You know what I mean? That's a dope record, man. You know what I mean?
Appreciate y'all.
So once again, the title of the joint is what? This Now?
This Now.
This Now. You know what I mean?
Now, y'all. Fish, hell yeah.
We about to get into
Official single out, Black Crown,
Right.
on all platforms.
Right, that's the official single out right now, right? That's one of them, because I know y'all got a couple joints out, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you know it's only right that we get into this joint, y'all.
Let's get it.
Soundtrack Radio, episode 97, man. Let's continue.
7,
on the
y'all.
beat.
Let's
This
go.
is by Chris Crown and Billy Official. This joint is called This Is Now, produced by Black Sounds. You know how we do, man. Soundtrack every Saturday 2 to 3 right here at DTF Radio. Video and all that is available on YouTube. Make sure y'all check it out, man. You know what I mean?
What's up, y'all? Y'all up next?
Yeah.
We don't got next.
This now, you heard?
See that video right there? Check out the
Brooklyn
video
Talk. Let's
available
get
on
into
YouTube.
it.
Let's go. This is Chris Crown, Brooklyn, New York. Now produced by Black Sound. Let's go. That's 97.
We don't got next, this now, it's time to shake shit.
We ain't trying to fit it with clowns, they on some fake shit.
This is our homies, the sound, that yellow tape shit.
And why building this story is how
next to snap.
They on some fake shit.
We don't got next to snap.
About to break shit.
We don't got next to snap. Roll in your throat. I thought you was protecting your neck. I'm rolling with goats. I thought sparrows were more than a set. They steal my quotes, my style, they ain't showing respect. I'm west side with a gun for a check.
Give it to 'em clear.
They ain't talking substance and punches, these niggas lunching. I'll be in the crowd getting high at every function. It's that fly talk, so concrete, I eat off sidewalks. Flip 16, spit 16, that's a hot spot. Give me blues, you forget it, Jimmy Choo's. No job, I went from quarters to 52s. Scum dead, I did more than one bid. You talking my son shit, you sucking with my gun hit. One clip, two clips, homie on the money roll. Black hands round, funny trolls reaching. I do amputations, billion crown, there's more shots if you've been waiting. What's up? We don't got next to now, it's time to shake shit.
When you trying to fit in with clowns, they on some fake shit.
This is how homie should sound, that yellow tape shit.
And why Bill and destroy, it's time to break shit.
We don't got next to
It's
snap.
time to take shit.
We don't got next to snap.
They on some fake shit.
We don't got next to snap.
About to break shit.
We don't got next to snap.
If the crowd walks in, then I go after. That's my little bro, front then you get slapped up. I'm humble all the time, but if you wanna get act up, we shoot shit ourselves, we don't need no backup. First of all, most of y'all don't stand tall. That get the pointing with the fingers, Arsenio Hall. This ain't the game you wanna break, like the movie Saw. Get tortured in the basement, swivel vice on your jaw. We on a different vibe. Billy official, know the name, I've been solidified. The kicks and punches ain't gon' work, this ain't gon' die. When it's real beef, somebody is about to die. Yeah, you let it fly. Yeah, I love my niggas for real, cause they don't never hate. If it's time to ride, they ride, they don't hesitate. Moves we make are real, homie, we don't perpetrate. They throw it all to get out and we're regulate.
We don't got next to snap. It's time to shake shit.
We ain't tryna fit in with clowns, they on some fake shit.
This is how homie should sound, that yellow tape shit.
And why building destroy, it's time to break shit.
We don't got next to now.
It's time to take shit.
We don't got next to
They
snap.
on some fake shit.
We don't got next to now.
We don't got next to snap.
Yeah, that was heat. That's heat.
Fire right there,
Hell
right?
yeah.
Yeah, man. Sound show every Saturday 2 to 3 right here at DTF Radio, man. Displaying the hottest indie, mainstream, and hip hop and R&B from artists all over the world. Thank you for that one, y'all.
As they say, that's that hot sauce.
Steroids type records, you know what I mean?
That's that hot sauce right
That
there.
boom bap, you know what I'm saying?
That's that hot sauce right
That
there.
boom bap, that real hip hop shit, you know what I'm saying?
Appreciate the love.
Sometimes we gotta remind some of these guys out here what real hip hop sound like, you know what I'm saying? That's right, you know what I mean? Shout out to the homie Chris Crown and Billy Official in the building, you know what I mean?
That's right.
Shout out to my boy Nova, straight out of Brooklyn Media, always coming through, always helping us, you know what I mean? With some dope shows. You know, we already got our connection, you know what I'm saying? But boy Nova done brought in like 8 artists already, you know what I mean? Right, you know what I mean? So that's my boy right there. Nova straight out of Brooklyn Media. Make sure y'all follow my IG, follow his Mic Check series and all of that. We platform owners, man. We putting it on out here for the city, you know what I mean? Or the dopest independent artists, you know what I mean?
Absolutely.
So Chris, you need a second or you want to get right into rolling? We're going to keep it going, right? We're going to keep it rolling?
Yes,
Let's keep it rolling, you know what I'm saying?
It's the sound show. It's the sound show. Nothing better than that, man.
This joint we about to get into.
Chris Crown, Crown Heights, Brooklyn, New York, y'all. Billy Fish. That we do. Brooklyn, stand up.
We rolling, you know what I'm saying?
That's 97, y'all.
SS97, video out on YouTube and all that. Make sure y'all check out this work, man.
Every
Boys
Saturday
is
to
working,
3.
man. Let's
You
get
know,
into
we just
that.
handle our
Sound
biz.
show every Saturday 2 to 3 right here at DTF Radio, man. Yeah, we rolling, man. We're having a great show, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So let's get into this, right, y'all?
Let's get it.
Joint is by Chris Crown. Joint called Rolling, you know what I mean?
Chris Crown Rolling,
man,
Crown
This
Heights,
is a
Brooklyn,
fire
New
joint
York.
right here, my G.
Yeah, crossover, you know. Make
Yeah.
music. I told you I make music.
Do
man.
music.
Yeah.
That's a fact. All type of records, man. That's a fact. You know what I mean? No, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Bring it down the talking point
Oh,
in the beginning
okay,
before we get into the
okay,
record.
okay.
You know how we do it. We getting ready to get into it. This is by Chris Crown. This joint is called Rolling. Video available on YouTube and all of that. Go check it out.
I'm just scratching the heart.
We got more with Chris Crown and Billy Official. Let's go. This is Chris Crown, Dolo. The joint's called Rolling.
Every town got different races, ups and downs. Some people fast, some people good. It's give or take, but I keep it rolling.
I'll keep it rolling.
You try to play me, I keep it rolling. I keep it rolling. Black Tony keep it rolling. Bill Tony keep it rolling. Lil Tony keep it rolling. Ali said we rolling. I'm in the beat, we rolling. Jump in the plane, we rolling. Pass me the back and we rolling. West Coast, middle finger 2 times. You ain't stopping my shine. Ain't on top but I climb. Made change on crime. Now I'm in the building, it's mine. Bleeding. Took an oath and I mean it. Life lessons or teachings. Used to borrow, I need it. Take it or leave it. I've been on the road for a while. Every town got different race. Ups and downs. Some people fast, some people good. It's give and take. But I keep it rolling. I keep it rolling. You try to play me. I keep it rolling. I keep it rolling. Black Tony, keep it rolling. Chocolate Chris Brown, Crown Heights, Tony, keep it rolling.
That's a really official. BK in the building. Go.
Niggas change like seasons. Bitches act like demons. What you attract, you believe in. Even seeing is deceiving. I don't need it, I'm leaving. You ain't been keeping it real, man. Gossip and talk is for children. Only so much I can deal with. Been gone, I'm home. Every song so cold. Bad vibes being shown. I don't care who's wrong. You ain't hit up my phone. Cause you on not trolling. Don't DM me, I'm rolling. Stay determined, like I said, stay motivated, stay focused. Don't let nobody change your mind. Don't let nobody change your goals. You keep shit pushing, you heard? I've been on the road for a while. Every town got different race. Ups and downs, some people fast, some people good. It's give and take, but I keep it rolling. I keep it rolling. You try to play me, I keep it rolling. I keep it rolling. Black Tony, keep it rolling. Bill Tony, keep it rolling. Love Tony, keep it rolling. Ali said we rolling. I'm in the VM, we rolling. Jump in the plane, we rolling. Pass me the pack and we rolling. Trust me, man, I keep it rolling.
Sound show every Saturday 2 to 3 right here at DTF Radio. We display some of the hottest indie/mainstream hip hop and R&B from artists all over the world.
That's right.
Shout out to Chris Crown, man. Crown Heights, Brooklyn. You already know.
Rolling.
In the building. You know what I'm saying? That's some fire right there. You know what I mean? We definitely working, man. You know what I mean? We just gonna keep running through heat and talking a little bit more, man. We gotta get into that joint, get it done in a little bit too, Bill. You went crazy on the first verse, bro. You went crazy.
That's brand new.
I know, yo, no said it. He said the brand new exclusive. You know, that's exclusive for the people. Y'all only hear this first on Soundshow Radio, man. This joint is not even online yet. You know what I mean? That's a fact, man. What's going on, though?
Exclusive joint.
Exclusive Saturday Sound Show, y'all.
Rolling, bro, you know what I mean? That was some fire right here. You know, we rolling.
That's one of my favorite joints.
my favorites.
Yeah, right? SS 97, we rolling, right, y'all?
That's right.
Yo, so before we get into Get It Done, Billy, tell us a little bit about that, man.
You know, we was just vibing, you know, in the studio.
Right.
You know, work with my brother Black Sound. I'm the one that knew him for like, we knew each other like over 12 years, so I plugged him in with Crown and shit like that, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
And we just was in the stew and, you know, me and Crown would do what we do. When we hear something, we jump and attack, man.
Right, man.
We eating. Shit,
Right.
ain't no beat going past us and we like that shit.
Right, tell us a little bit how you came with your verses and all of that, because that one is crazy. You was on a different energy on that one. When the song start, you was like, oh man, you set the tone on that shit like crazy. You know what I'm
That's a
saying?
fact, yo, no lie. I just be on some, like, I don't care like whose song I jump on or whatever. If I'm a feature, I'm just gonna make sure I go hard, you know what I'm
Hell
saying?
yeah, you got to.
And
You
I'm
got
just
to.
gonna do what I do, you know what I'm saying? And keep the energy up, you know what I'm saying? Because I know Crown gonna body it.
That's a
You know what I'm
fact.
saying? So you gotta keep that energy, you know what I'm saying? And
Always
just,
attack.
Y'all a body in every record y'all do. Them
that's
shits
why-
is organically
that's why it
fire.
works with us, you know what I'm
Right.
saying? Like we ain't got to stress to do it, so we ain't got,
Nah.
yo, we come up with topics.
Y'all doing that shit
whatever,
easily.
We do what we do, yeah. We just come up with the verses and, you know,
Right.
it just happened.
Me and Bill got a mixtape out. It's called Two Shots. You know
Oh,
what I mean?
word?
We put it out. It's very slept on. You know what I mean? I feel
Yeah,
really
that's facts,
appreciated,
it's
but
facts.
It's on like Dat Piff and Spin Rilla and all that.
Oh, make sure y'all check that out, man. Chris Brown and Billy Official Project.
Project.
Y'all could-
That Piff, Spin Rilla, all of that, right?
Yeah, 2 shots.
That's a fact. My Sound Post compilation 1 is on that Piff. You know what I mean? I got Loaded Lux, Hey Mafia, all on there. Next joint, I want, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Gotta work with y'all too, man. So make sure y'all check all of our projects on how, right? On that Piff.
Right, absolutely.
YouTube, everything. We got shit on all streaming platforms, right, y'all?
That's right.
Man, I think it's time to get into that Get It Done, y'all, because that's what we doing with this show. We getting it done.
That's
You know what I
right.
mean?
We rolling and getting it done.
So this is by Billy Official, Chris Brown, sent to me officially by my boy Nova, straight out of Brooklyn Media. You know, talk to the people real quick.
When they see me in the streets, you know I stay fly from the fitted to the feast. From
Booyah,
New York,
right?
from the style.
You know how to fuck with you, my nigga. Let's go.
Fit it to the beat.
Ain't nothing but surprise.
now. Woo!
Every Saturday 2 to 3 right here at DTF Radio, man. I'm just playing some of the most powerful independent hip hop.
Beef all over the world, y'all.
You know how we do, man. That shit was fire. Shout out to Chris Brown and Billy Official. Destroying the show today. You know what
Sound show exclusives.
Sound show exclusive, never heard before. Song is not online yet or nothing. Exclusive. Shout out to Chris Brown and Billy Official.
That shit hard. That shit hard, though.
Yeah, that's a fact, man.
Know how to get it. Nah, that shit hard. That shit is good music. That's the last time y'all gonna hear it though till the project come out. You know? You gotta get the project. You know?
Yeah, that was crazy right there, man. We really appreciate that. You know what I mean? Chris, you got one more.
Applause on that.
You know what I mean? We're gonna talk a little bit more, and then you got one more, and then we have a freestyle, and then we'll close out around 3:30 almost, 3:20 something. We got like maybe 10, 15 more minutes. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
To go. That's a fact, man. We appreciate y'all even coming through, taking the time out your busy day to come have a great show with us at Sound Show Radio. We appreciate y'all for that. Appreciate y'all, man.
Why wouldn't we want to
Tap in, Chris Crown, man. Follow him on IG.
Chris Crown, got
You know what I
my
mean?
album out. My album out on all platforms called Black Crown.
That's a fact.
We got an EP called Against the Grain. Both of them produced by Black Sounds.
Right. Shout out to Black Sounds. You know what I
Me
mean?
and Bill on there. There's not too many features. I just wanted to showcase my song structure and my versatility.
Man, y'all all the features.
So, yeah, so
Right.
tap in, please.
Right. You know what I mean? That is a fact. Make sure y'all check out all of these fire records, man. Yo, no, man, we're gonna bring, you know what we got going on. You know we're gonna do the sound show. You know we're gonna do the sound show / mic check series gathering day.
Yeah,
we're gonna bring like 8 artists in here and let them perform and freestyle over, you know what I mean? That's coming soon. Let's talk to the people about that real quick before we get back with Crown and Billy.
Yeah, you know, we was talking about that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have some of the artists from all the different series come through, and we're gonna have a nice little mic check sound show series.
That's a fact.
Mashup. You know what I mean?
Right.
We'll have a cipher here, and we'll have some of the artists come through and, you know, do some dope shit.
Right, we probably have 6 and better artists, right, in the building.
We'll have like
6 or 7 artists coming through, right?
Do something, and you know, the top tier, the best of the best from the mic check series.
Right.
You know what I mean? I mean, everybody's dope, but you
That's
know,
a
we're
fact.
the dopest. And yeah, you know what I'm saying? We'll light up the Sound Show Radio Show.
Right, man.
That's
That's
what we do.
fact, man.
Yeah, yo,
We
mic
appreciate
check. That track was fire. You know what I'm saying? Get it done by Chris Crown.
Yeah, that was crazy, right? Chris Crown,
Yeah,
Billy
look,
Official,
man,
get it done,
You
B.
know, that's what
Yo,
the
Bill,
mic
that
check
joint is
series
crazy.
about.
Crown, that joint is crazy.
That's the hot sauce
Monster
right there.
single that's gonna be, you know what I mean? So they start getting warmer, that shit gonna attack the streets even more. You know what I mean? That shit gonna transcend from the winter to a spring attack. You know what I mean?
When's the project slated to be released?
I don't know, bro.
Oh, we're working.
We're
Okay.
working on it. No release date yet, right?
Nah, it's coming soon. It's coming soon.
TBA, to be announced. To be
Right,
announced
to
soon.
be right, to be announced, right?
Nah,
That's a
it's
fact.
like you don't drop in January. You know what I mean? January is New Year's.
Right.
You know what I mean,
It's still
people
first
attention
quarter.
is focused.
Right.
February is Valentine's Day.
Right.
You know what I mean? So we drop
Right.
at the end of February.
Right.
You know what I mean?
March and
End of
better.
March and turn up crazy.
Right, you know the strategy, Crown. Niggas ain't no rookies. These are vets over here, independent vets right here in the building. You know what I'm saying?
Appreciate
You know what I mean? I know the strategies and all of that, so how to make the records, when to put them out, and all of that. I see how y'all move. You know what I mean? The videos, y'all working on also a film, right? An indie film. Tell us a little bit about that, so we won't lose that topic and not speak about that on the show. Y'all working on a web series, right?
Yeah.
Let's talk about that.
Shouts to Scorp Dolo, he in the building.
Right.
He was Dre on Respect Life.
Right.
And then he started his own show, Radar, the web series. Me and Bill, fortunate to be casting it.
Yeah, congratulations to y'all, man.
He right here. We up to episode 4, I believe.
You want to talk a little bit about that? You want to talk a little bit about this? Here, come here, my G. Nah, I know you behind the scenes, right? But congratulations on having a dope web series that y'all building on, my G, for real. You know what I mean? We here to shine light to people in the background as well. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you for having the tech going on. You know what I mean?
Everybody do something.
Right. Everybody. That's why
that shit goes.
That's why we come and talk to everybody in here. You know what I'm saying? It's a big fact. This is what Sound Show Radio is about. We all got shit going on. People on the scenes and behind the scenes, motherfucker. You know what I mean?
Shout out to Rum.
Shout out to y'all for coming through too as well, G. Shout out to y'all, man, for your web series and everything y'all got going on, man. Make sure y'all check that on the YouTube and all of that when that shit drop. You know what I mean?
Yeah, shout out
That's
to
a fact.
Rum. Me and Rum, we working on the show right now. He works with his own battle rap league.
Oh, that's fire.
Yeah, and he also got his own clothing line, Good Cash. So.
Okay, that's what I'm talking about, my G. That's what I'm talking about, B.
So we gonna come back.
Right, we're gonna talk about even more and have an idolize show for y'all, you know what I mean? Yeah, shout out to black entrepreneurs building and making their own way. Shit ain't easy for us out here. We make our own fucking lanes. So we salute that, you know what I'm saying? Salute to y'all for doing what y'all do. You know what I mean? We appreciate that, you know what I mean?
Stick together.
Yo, Crown, man, before you go and before we let you freestyle, it's only right that we get into this hit record that my boy Nove straight out of Brooklyn Media sent. Tell us about this Endgame record, man. This is like a real radio hit, yo. Tell us about this, you know what I'm saying?
Endgame is an exclusive too, bro.
It is.
That's from the new project. It's from the last set, like literally the last session that we did, probably like 2-3 weeks ago.
Right.
But it's getting finalized. But it's a dope record produced by Black Sounds again.
How you feel? You want to hold it or let it go?
Nah, you could let it clap, man. But,
okay.
You know what I mean, it's for the ladies. You know
right.
It's dedicated to the ladies. Shouts to my ladies. Shouts to my boo. You feel me? But it's you know, I make music.
That's what's up. You showing
vibes.
Different vibes. Y'all a well-rounded artist, man. I make all type of records. You know what I mean?
So ladies tap in.
The streets, the clubs, the ladies. You know what I mean? Zone Out Records, everything, you know what I mean? This is what real artists do. They don't make one type of song, they make all type of universal music. That's what I mean? So let's get into this drink. The last literal song of the track list, Chris Brown. This joint is called Endgame. You know what I mean? Produced by Black Sound. That's S97. Let's go.
Body now is insane. Baby got her own money, she don't complain. Can't stop, won't stop. Maybe one day she deserve a runway, but that's my cheat code. Like Henny, she too strong for these weak hoes. Like it rough, but she love it when I freak slow. Do it long and she called it, that's a deep show. This is not a peep show. Ass like Sweetie, head like Suki. Leaning, I be fiending, got me like Pookie. She a fire head, not a groupie. When I say jump, she jump on it and she do me. Come and let me talk to you. Fingertips in your waistline. I ain't no scream when we FaceTime. Just move to the baseline. She pouring the wine slow. Do a little beat, and she want me like blind. Come here, let me talk to you. Whisper something that's quite nice. Then I might munch on that like spice. I say what you might like. I do what you gon' feel. She say that she rollin', even if we got one wheel. We cut like a knife fight. She ride it like dirt bikes. Yeah, be I work out and she say that it works right. Come here, let me talk to you. And she do what I say so. Now we up like Ben and J-Lo. We in the end game. She been working on her body, now it's insane. Baby got her own money, she don't complain. Can't stop, won't stop. Maybe one day she deserve a runway, but that's my cheat code. Like Henny, she too strong for these weak hoes. Like it rough, but she love it when I freak slow. Do it long and she called it, that's a deep show. This is not a deep show. Ass like Nicki, twerk like Megan. I ain't begging, she on my top like a heading. No panties, fishnet leggings. Brick wall and ball, I start working, let me talk to you. Baby, it's so wet. You could come first, I'ma go next. She look me in my eyes, I swear that she a prize. Ask how I'm looking how I'm alive. I'm high off your smoke. Watermelon seeds, wash braids, and dove soap. That sound like a love quote. Slimming the cakes off, training the payload. She better than Adolf. I'm judging this baseball. I'm getting my mace on, fast and fine. Yeah, she fine with that lace on. This is my bass song. Then we get dirty like a song. I've been on talk, you say something. We in the end game. She been working on her body, now it's insane. Baby got her own money, she don't complain. Can't stop, won't stop. Maybe one day she deserve a runway, but that's my cheat code. Like Henny, she too strong for these weak hoes. Like it rough, but she love it when I freak slow. Do it long and she called it, that's a deep show. This is not a deep show.
Sound show every Saturday 2 to 3 right here at DTF Radio, right y'all? We always displaying the hottest Indian mainstream hip hop and R&B from artists all over the world. Shout out to Chris Brown on that joint. The record was called Endgame. SS97, right?
That's right.
Right. Special guest co-host Nove, shout out to Brooklyn Media as well. Shout out to Chris Brown on that smash record Endgame, man.
That's right.
This was the last song of the track list. We're going to do a little rundown of our IGs and social media accounts. We do a little freestyle and call it a wrap. You know what I mean? If y'all got that in you, if y'all want freestyle, I'll go in the joint. Y'all come on, you see how you feel. You know what I mean? If not, we close the show out, we talk over the beat and we out. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, we appreciate y'all having me out in the building today.
Indeed, that.
You know what I mean? Chris Crown, Billy Official, and my boy No straight out of Brooklyn Media, man. That's a fact, yo.
Sound sure. Shouts to Nova for real. Nova
Thank you again, y'all, for coming through. We really appreciate it. Thank you again, Nova. You know, we always setting up some dope shows, man. We got more coming. We got more coming, man. Like, you know what I mean? He's an extension of Sound Show Radio. This is my guy right here. You know what I mean? He's the 5th extension piece. The Sound Show Radio was 4 of us, but y'all been seeing me and So Hard today. With my boy No Jahari, 5th extension of Sound Show Radio, man. We appreciate you, man. Extended family. You know how we do it. Thank you, Chris Crown, for coming in, man. Give him all your social medias and all of that before we play this little track.
Just Crown 718 on everything. Just Google Chris Crown. Look up Chris Crown. You're going to see my face, you're going to see some videos and some good music and EPs and projects out. I appreciate y'all. Just Crown 718.
That's a fact, man.
Just Crown 718,
Crown 718 on Instagram. He's available on social media, streaming platforms as well. Billy Official, man. Thank you again for coming through, my G. I really appreciate you, man.
That's love. Appreciate y'all, man.
Yo, tell them everybody your socials.
You already know, man. Billy Official 718, man.
That's a fact, man. Follow Billy Official 718. Check out their videos on YouTube and all streaming platforms.
And I do events too. I got some shit called Five Borough Concert.
Oh, that's fire. Tell a little people about that real quick.
It's a showcase, you know. It's like a concert series that I be doing. And I got one coming on March 4th, so just stay in tune. Get in tune, all artists tap in. You already know.
That's what's up. We really appreciate that,
Shout
man.
out
to
VX Sparks. You're ready, facts.
You know how we do know. Every show we gotta give them the rundown. I know you left your joints, but we gotta do it, you know, for each show. Give them your media and all of that shit. You know,
we here. Shout to everybody on my live right now. Shout to my guy TJ. Shout to everybody that tapped in. You already know. Tap in with me straight out of Brooklyn. Media, IG, that's STR8, OUTTABKLYN. Just type in straight out of Brooklyn. You find me on IG. Find me on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the Mic Check series. Stay tuned this Monday. Mic Check series is launching. Chris Crown, we're gonna get it done. You already know. Crown Heights, Brooklyn. It's love, man. Sound Show Radio, man. We coming back for the next show, man.
You know how we do, man.
Sound Show.
Yeah, we get ready to go. We're going to show before we start out. We're going to freestyle something to beat us in. This is SS97. You know how we do, man. We make the Gangsters. Can't Tell Me Nothing, produced by me, H Super Soundboard Production. You know how we do, man. We get ready to close out, man. My boy Neo Bars is inside Nation. Came to stop too real quick as we close out the show. What's up, LB?
What up?
What's up, my guy? You know what I mean? We closing out a dope show with Chris Crown and Billy Official, man. That's a fact. You know what I mean? Yo, Crown, yo, what's up, my guy? Baby. You know what I mean? Yo, Crown, you want to tell the people a little something real quick, man? We thank you for having us on the show. Sound Show Radio, man.
Yes, sir.
That is a fact, man. Shout out to Chris Crown. Shout out to Billy Official. Yo, Bill, we thank you for having us on the show, my G. You know what we do, man. Sound Show Radio. This is how we do SS97. You know what I mean? We had a great show, man. We gonna work on some new music. Stay tuned, y'all. We gonna work on some music and all of that, man. Chris Crown, Billy Official, SS97, fire guest of the day, right? So,
right.
First guest of 2023, man. We appreciate a fire show.
See us on YouTube at Sound Show Radio, one word. IG
Follow us at Sound Show Radio, right?
For radio
on IG. What? That's
That's right. Bugatti, Yasmika, SS97.
Follow us on sound_show_radio. Follow me, Highs_Sound Soul_Highs_up. Yes_Mika, Rev_77. Sound Show Radio Squad. Make sure y'all follow Chris Crown. You know what I mean? Crown. You know what I mean? Just Crown 718. Follow Billy Official 718. Follow my boy Nova straight out of Brooklyn Media. Sound Show Radio every Saturday through the 3 right here, BTF Radio, man. You know what I mean? Yo, we're live on IG, YouTube, Vimeo, Roku, audio only, available on Spotify, right? So high, but only through the BTF Radio app. And shout out to my boy Nova, straight out of Brooklyn Media, and this Mic Check series. Make sure y'all check that out on YouTube and on Instagram and everything, man. You know that, man. Yeah, man, we had a great show, man. SS97. You know what I mean? We're about to sign out, right, y'all? About to sign out, so high, great show. Booyah. Great show, brothers, you know what I mean? This is SS97, we about to sign out, man. We talk to y'all next week. It's H2 of the Sound Show Radio. We talk to y'all next week, man. Come on.